Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the clipboard error in Microsoft Excel. So the error will state there was a problem with the clipboard. So this problem will occur while you are trying to copy content from the spreadsheet. So for that, let's go quick into the process. First is we can close any Excel instances on our windows, but before you are going to close any Excel instances, just make sure that you have saved your work in the Microsoft Excel, and then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task mgr. Click on Task Manager under the Best Match. Now maximize the Task Manager window. Then here you have to simply search for Excel, and then make a right click, and then you have to select the end task option. So once you select the end task option, that will completely close any Excel processes or instances on your Windows. And after that, you just have to launch the Microsoft Excel again and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is we can also restart the Microsoft Excel by so while you are on your Microsoft Excel, in order to restart it, simply click on this close icon after you have saved it, and then just simply type Excel again. And in this way, we are going to restart the Microsoft Excel. Because in some cases, a simple restart can usually fix the issue, so you should try in that too. For the next method, we can also use the Open and Repair tool, which is a built-in tool here in the Microsoft Excel. Click on the File tab at the top left corner, then you have to select Open. You have to select Browse, and then you have to choose your work or your spreadsheet. Click on this drop-down arrow and then choose the option Open and Repair. And this window will appear. So once this window will appear to you and this statement will appear, then you just have to select the repair option from here and wait for the process to be done. For the next method is we can also disable the Excel add-ins, because in some cases, add-ins can also cause issues on your Microsoft Excel. Now click again the File tab at the top left corner, then you have to select More, click on Options. Then here you have to select Add-ins, then you will find Manage, click on this drop-down arrow and choose Excel Add-ins. Click on Go, and here you'll find the add-ins, so make sure to uncheck any of these boxes or do not check this and click on OK. And then for the next method is we can also clear the clipboard history of our Windows. So we're just going to use the shortcut keys by pressing the Windows key and letter V key together. Then simply click this clear all option. In that way, you are going to clear the clipboard history. And after that, just open your spreadsheet and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.